Riso boso menda din kan bia na yeda ye si honomo se eye adwumayefo nyina wonom eda na so wokoye bonomantem ni mo bonopoye ne ahafomantem a wo nyina ka wo ho bomu a wodi no wonkranza ye no wo bono apoye mantem na adwubadie no ase no na adwumayefo nkabo mu ko labor unions no wode afutuo ema Ghana aban se o man sikasem no nkwayi o asetena no so mu nya krati aban hwe na nipa dodo a obo mu dia wo som na ban mu tua wonom ka no wonte so
Trotro Emma TUC ekuo no ewo Buno East ene afomantem mu comfort asoma edene nsem etudwa no ena odeto aban animu se asoafo a wafa wonum ewo aban animu no wonte so sene se obekọ IMF akwakọ bobusia sanse entumi muwa omen sikasem kwan bia so ekuo ma ehia mu ewo enkranza ewo Buno East mantem mu ekobo adwumayefo abaso na sabre na mami ede sansemi etudwa.
I would like to reiterate our well-known position that the IMF program can never take us out of this crisis. Our history of engagements with the IMF provides ample evidence that IMF-funded programs and policies cannot change our economic circumstances. Another IMF program will only impose more economic burden on us. We have to change the situation ourselves. We believe that government can lead us out of this crisis by cutting expenditure on non-essentials, including the need to stop spending our hard-earned revenue on National Cathedral. In fact, it will be better to convert that project into a national hospital.
Just no usubana hene bono mantem suafo wode ato labor unions nyina animu se wanya adwumaden se beya obetumi aboa ban adwuma woye.
It's not a secret that labor in Ghana has had cause to continuously voice out its legitimate concerns, mainly concerning better incomes and conditions of service. In the face of economic difficulties brought about a pandemic which has not been encountered in a century, as well as the vagaries of the war between Russia and China. In the face of all these agitations, it has been the hope of a government that the leadership of organized labor will work in unison with the government to achieve the goal of improving the welfare of not only workers but the generality of Ghanaians.
Kwasi Adujan Buno East mantem suafo no so den same say eneto aso.
We can build a strong economy if only we can unite to do this together. Together, we can reduce the importation of items, consume our own products in the country, which will create more jobs. That is import substitution. That will improve and provide more jobs, create jobs for the youth.
If we bring Rashe be jana kwa setena ya wobobo ho agi eto ahodo no efoforo no aba no etumu no na woche kakra eni na adwumako mo mo hwe yeto agege ho nsam so de bo aban no Ghana Revenue Authority no mu mpanifo chemu a wo mo hye da se eno ade na se bosume wo ne edi nkan no na sa ato no efrase no se wo mo hye da eno wo ma adwumako ahodo bre kakra so wonhwe enye nhyehyeye no fa ne ma nwa kwamu se be ya eto no wo betua no emobo wonso.
Eto foforo ene de womo ahwemu biem ede ho emra foforo aba Excise Amendment Act 2023, Income Tax Amendment Act 2023, ene Growth and Sustainability Levy Act 2023, Excise Duty Amendment Act no sisi watremu a eneme bi ananka enhyemu no odini nyina akeka ho. Decenti eneme bi etese fruit juice, cigar, mineral water, ensa no eden, wine, ene sparkling wine nyina no ebo no bekosoro. Ghana Union of Traders Association edi atudwa se enyade sa eto foforo ya wodi abai obeji atum isanse wo mu eto wade na ebepra wo mu. Income Tax Amendment Act no edi sika ohamu chichemunum ene ba beto adwumaku awodo esikaso na wo mu a eji akatua ebro Ghana cedi ahanum 500 cedis nso eto ba beda won sika no eso a osika dodo a wonya no ene be kire eto dodo a wobetua edi ama aban na wo ba betting dia the sika obi bedi no emu hamu chichemu edu ene obetua edi ama aban sanso ena loto nso sanso ena loto any game centers nso ebetua sika ohamu chichemu eduonu 20% ene de ama aban. Growth and Sustainability Levy nso ehwe kwan se sika korabia telecom companies ene fango adwumayeko nso ebetua wonfa so mu ohamu chichemu enum edi ama aban.